So the next four I'll cover are these Johan kits, and I'm going to start with that Vought F4U-1 Corsair back in the corner there. And as I think I said earlier, and you may have heard, these Johan kits are just, they're so cool and they're so fun. I love these boxes. I'm never going to throw them away. And I especially love these. They're actually later ones that they're all one piece and open like this. And the reason you know they're later is they have a barcode stamped on the bottom, whereas I believe one of these, yeah, the 0, I mean, that's the way the original box looked. But these slightly later boxes that are all one piece and open, I wish all kits were like this. I really like it. And then that enabled me to store their instructions and the references in the box. And these, even these instructions, just very simple, straightforward. And they do, they treat you like an adult and explain step by step how to do things rather than showing pictures step by step. So all in here is, for instance, if bombs are used, cement bomb has right and left together and left and right together, and you know, like duh. So anyway, they're cool. And then nice short and sweet instructions, along with, you know, they do these great subjects, you know, Pappy Boynton. So yeah, just really nice. I love these kits. And as you'll see, they build really nice models with, you know, great decals and excellent detail. And then of course, you know, my references, and this is from Modeling Madness website. If you haven't been to that website, it's really good. I've contributed some stuff to it. The Modeling Madness review, I think, of those kits. That's the F4U-1 Corsair. Development of the F4U Corsair began in early 1938, headed up by Vought Aircraft's chief engineer Rex Beazle. A prototype was produced by May 1940. The new fighter's inverted gull wings gave the aircraft an unmistakably recognizable face when viewed head-on, and were designed to provide ground clearance for the massive 13-foot propeller. On the Corsair's maiden voyage, she broke the speed record for single-seat fighter aircraft by exceeding 400 miles per hour in level flight. The Navy was sold on the speedy fighter, and the F4U Corsair entered combat in 1943, giving Allied naval aviators a winning edge against their opponents. Renowned for its speed, ruggedness, and firepower, the Corsair excelled as both a fighter and attack aircraft in support of ground troops. The Corsair had a wingspan of 41 feet, a length of 34 feet, a maximum speed of 453 miles an hour, a cruising speed of 215 miles an hour with a range of 900 miles. It was powered by the Pratt & Whitney R2800 engine with up to 2,450 horsepower. It was armed with 6 50 caliber machine guns or 4 20mm cannons. Nearly 13,000 examples would be produced by the end of the F4U's run in 1952. So please watch for more before YouTube builds, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.